Hodges. He'll be handling the ball a lot. To Jordan for three. Down the lane goes Jordan. Tipped away on a bad pass. Jordan has 2 3-pointers and 12 in the game. Jordan splits the defense. Now 10 on the shot clock. Beautiful pass from Cartwright. Back door to Jordan.
That was Michael Jordan.
Jordan on the drive against Wilkins. Now with 7. That is Oakland. Shot clock to 7 for Jordan from the free throw line. Reminiscent of the game winner in that position right there. Finally now he does get it, but he had to wait a long time. Cartwright clears the side. 4, 3, 2. Jordan from the perimeter. Jordan from the corner. He won't miss that one. And that'll recycle the shot clock. Jordan sees an opening in the lane. The reverse will fall. Hold it. Yes, the reverse goes. The basket will count. Paxson's got trouble. To Jordan. To the hole.
Michael on the run. Trying to get it going early in this quarter. Off to Sellers. His jumper, an air ball into the hands of Michael Jordan, who got the basket and drew the foul.
He was able to sneak inside, take it away from Patrick Ewing, get bodied, and then make a great play.
And here we go. 6:45 remaining. Michael open with a 3-point effort. Can't get it to fall. Sellers the rebound. Michael Jordan.
Michael Jordan.
And it's a 9-point lead. Jordan's at his last 3. Now the steal by Michael. He has Kiki to beat, and he'll do that.
There's Michael. Boom. Out of the way. Great anticipation. Now watch how he's going to make this great crossover move. Frees Kiki. Kiki tries to grab him. Good for the Knicks, and that's not a good shot, I don't think.
Michael Jordan made the basket.
And the result is what? Michael Jordan gets a good transition.
Because he was in foul trouble.
Michael Jordan. Jackson nearly picked off that pass. Jordan. If you're going to double team, you got to come right away. Jordan. Wilkins was open, missed from the corner. Paxson to Jordan. See you later. Jordan now with 9. Eye contact out there. Here's Jordan on the open floor for the moment. And was in the air into the second period when Michael Jordan was getting a rest. Since then, Michael Jordan has come back. Trey Tucker tried to deny. Jordan steals the inbound pass. Off to the races. And he was on the court and brought him back from a big deficit to win. Jordan. Basket counts. And another foul will send Jordan to the line again. Jordan for 3. Don't score, you get on the foul line. We haven't had any of that. Jordan. Goaltending is called. Give him the hoop. Mano, mano. Inside. Jordan with a short hook shot. Nice jump as a unit. That's what counts. Here's the 2-on-1 with Michael Jordan and company. The two Bulls won't mean anything the way this score is going. How do you like that? How do you like that? Jordan and his 13 rebounds are a career playoff high. There's Jordan. 40 points for Michael Jordan. Around the Chicago bench has picked it up. Michael Jordan with his first shot of the game is good. Jordan off the screen, hits another. Right now, this is interesting. The Knicks have their starting unit. Everyone's back in there right now. Goaltending. See, I like his game today. He's really going to the hole. How about this guy? He went to the hole. Foul in the basket in the first half of this. Jordan. Jordan, really proud at her son. Jordan, off the glass, to the top of the circle. Jordan going around Wilkins, reverse layup. As you saw it there, work to dividend. Jordan, turnaround, big basket. At the top of the circle, he's tough to double team. Jordan, it counts and a foul. Give-and-go basketball right there. The ball to your high percentage foul shooters. 3 on the shot clock. Here's Jordan.
Playing him enough off the bench, etc. There's another steal. Hodges to Jordan. Bulls by 2. Jordan with the stutter step. One hand. He never touched it with the other hand. Right, lobs to Jordan. Players like Johnny Newman. Shot clock down to 7. Jordan, 6 seconds left in the quarter. Jordan, the leaner. It goes, and he'll go to the line. Rick Pitino, you can read his lips on the far side. Just what we didn't need. Jordan with a left hand. into the paint. The tip in by Jordan.
Realistic chance to pull this one out.
Jordan finally hits one from the perimeter. They'll count the basket. Jordan will get a three-point opportunity.
Watch Michael sizes things up.
Jordan got the loose ball. It was kept alive by a nice job. Jordan for three.
Three-point goal by Michael Jordan.
Wilkins draws the double team, takes it in from the left side. Unbelievable.
Michael Jordan.
Jordan with the penetration. 30 seconds remaining. It's a 5-point game. Full court pressure. Hodges has Jordan and two other Bulls with him. The jumper falls for Michael. Jordan with one hand.
So, Bob Neal, the story of the ball game.
Sorry. Jordan from the perimeter hits the jumper. Jordan into the paint.
Definitely not apparent in that trying to get open against the defensive pick and steal.
Jordan brings them to their feet in Chicago.
The Bulls are going to have to come back and score themselves. Jordan.
Michaels intercepts in the passing lane. 11 New York turnovers. Jordan for three. 8 rebounds for Ewing. Jordan from the perimeter. Jordan on the penetration. 5 straight points. Patino got a timeout. Knicks came back. Now here come the Bulls. Jordan gets the back. In a patented Jordan-esque move in the paint. 7 on the shot clock for Chicago, leading it by 3. Jordan with the fake toward the basket. Fortunate to get the ball back. Jordan.
Up and under between Patrick's hands.
Here comes Michael. Oakley's with him. 8 on the shot clock. Jordan.
The defensive pressure is increased, but in a game like this,
Newman's wide open. So Chicago is rocking, and the Bulls have eliminated the Knicks 4 games to 2.